Well, for everyone who hasn't been in or is new to crypto, first of all, and hasn't really seen what's going on since I guess you could say May, this has been the best time since I would say mid-May. Between May 7th, which is my birthday, and May 14th, 15th, 16th, stuff like that, and then everything started to drop off. So if you were part of crypto or you were invested around that time, guys, or the beginning, let's say, of 2021 February, between that time, it hasn't been like that since. We've been in a really big bear market. Everything's dropped a lot. So this is the best time to get in, guys. It really is. And I hate to say this, but I'm just going to go ahead and say it. If you don't get in now, and I'm not saying to say it, you're going to regret it later, I promise you. This is extra money to have either on the weekends, extra money to pay on bills, extra money to do whatever you want to do with. If you decide you want to make money quickly, if you want to actually stack it, save it, and keep building it up, even better. You'll have more money in a year from now, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. It's where you won't even have to work. You can retire early if you want to. Like, there's so many options, guys. There really is. So that's the biggest thing is depending on what coins you invest in, and that's all in our private group. That's where all of the real authenticity comes from. That's where we give all the real value at is in that actual group. That's where we teach you everything. And we don't just say that, but we actually go over a lot of different stuff in that, and that's where we can actually kind of show you all a few different things. So I'll leave that to Rob or Alex to go ahead and take over.
I could not have said it any better myself. And Alex, what's your take on the market over the past 24, even 48 hours? You just threw up, let's say, a